Now, how do you react? And did the court make any consequential order as to your benefits as a deputy governor, why this impeachment proceedings had gone on? So, we'd like to hear from you, sir.
I think that's will have been from a lawyer to talk about the case. For me, I want to thank the judiciary. I want to thank Justice Omotosho for his courage, and he has restored confidence that truly the judiciary is the last hope. And as a common person, justice has been done. And I want to thank Edo people. These people are Nigerians. Everywhere I went throughout this process, everybody I see, they tell me we are praying for me. I want to tell the people and Nigerians that have been praying for me that God has answered our prayer. So I dedicate this to God and this God. This justice, this judgment today, as we have found the foundation of democracy in Nigeria. And it has also sent a message to anti-democratic forces that their time is coming to an end. So democracy must survive in Nigeria. Democracy is what we have sent for. To Edo people, I will continue to serve you everything that I have. And by the grace of God, together I do thank Edo people, and I thank God for this.
Thank you. Thank you. Beautiful.